Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set up custom welcome message on Discord server. To begin, open Discord. On your server, click at the top "Oh This" and choose Server Settings. After, in the app directory section, search Dino. Click on this app and after, click Add to Server. Now click on Visit Site. The Discord website will open. After this, under Add to Server, select which server you will use the app. Click Continue. Now review the permissions to grant. Click Authorize if you agree with this. After, you can complete the basic configuration process, and we recommend that you do not do some adjustments to parameters for now. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After, enter welcome in the search. Here, activate the welcome switch and then click on Settings. Go to your Discord app, click on the plus sign to create a new channel. Set the name and click Create Channel. Now go back to the website and update the website. Click on the message option. In the Welcome Channel field, select the channel on which the message will be visible. On the message field, you can copy some of the available variables to be able to integrate it into the message to use. Click Update to save this changes. After, you can use this custom welcome message on Discord. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.